To news now from St. Elizabeth. A daring daylight robbery at a church in Santa Cruz has left members troubled by the incident, which happened after midday today. The robber escaped with an undisclosed sum of cash. We have details in this report.
Disbelief at the Sharon Baptist Church in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth.
A gunman had the audacity to come today and rob the church. The admin secretary was in the office there and robbed her of her cell phone, her purse with her personal funds and petty cash from the church office.
The robber, we were told, however, left behind a bag containing clothing. Jacob Powell is the pastor of the Santa Cruz Circuit of Baptist Churches. While acknowledging the crime situation plaguing the country, he said he never imagined that the church would have fallen prey to criminals.
It's really sad to know that things have gotten so bad in our country that a young man can just walk inside a church and rob a staff member. And we should not take it as a simple act, but that it is something serious, that things are really getting out of hand. And it's either that people need to get themselves together, or our security forces, will have to be more vigilant. And we can't even blame the security forces because they've been doing their best, have been doing their best with little or no resource whatsoever.
It's why church members are insisting that the church does what it can to protect itself.
Sacrifice something else and put the camera upon the building to protect the members of the church and protect pastor, right? Put a camera that anybody enter through the gate, they pick it up.
The Santa Cruz police are investigating, and in the meantime,
I can tell you we are going to be praying for that one. Yeah, we are going to be praying for him, and the police is going to find him. So if he knows what I know, he gives himself up or he comes and asks for pardon.
Herman Green, TVJ News.